Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for August 13, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, massive supply chain attack on LiteLLM leaks 434K CI/CD credentials. Anthropic rolls out global invisible watermark for all Claude outputs, EU AI Act compliance or overreach, Fable 5 adoption stalls, just 6% token share amid $50 per million output pricing. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. Anthropic brings full Claude Cowork agent to Chrome, with skills, plugins, and live page interaction. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. A massive supply chain attack has hit the open-source AI tool LiteLLM, with malicious versions uploaded to PyPI for just 40 minutes, yet compromising over 2,500 organizations and leaking nearly 500,000 CI/CD pipeline credentials. This wasn't a targeted breach, it exploited trust in official package repositories and exposed systemic weaknesses in how AI development tools manage dependencies and secrets. Security researchers confirm the attackers, Team PCP, also infected related tools like Trivy and KICS. Anthropic has become the first major AI firm to implement EU AI Act watermarks globally, adding invisible, machine-readable tags to every piece of text processed or generated by Claude, even older models. But here's the controversy: it marks any edited content, including grammar fixes, as potentially AI-generated, blurring the line between human and AI work. And because the watermark can be stripped via copy-paste, screenshots, or metadata removal, its real-world reliability remains unverified, and Anthropic hasn't released independent test data. Here's a money shock: Anthropic's newest model, Fable 5, captured just 6% of enterprise token usage on the RAMP platform in its first month, while OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol took 25%. Why? Because Fable 5 charges $50 per million output tokens, double the price of rivals, and businesses aren't convinced the extra capability justifies the cost. This isn't anecdotal. It's real API spend data from over 400 tech companies, signaling a potential inflection point for AI monetization. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. Anthropic has just embedded its full Claude Cowork agent directly into the Chrome sidebar, meaning you can now run multi-step AI workflows right inside your browser, with full plugin and skill support. It reads pages you're already logged into, clicks links, fills forms, and even exports summaries to Excel or PowerPoint, but crucially, Anthropic warns this version remains vulnerable to prompt injection attacks, so it's banned for use with financial or medical accounts. SpaceXAI just launched Grok Bot, an AI agent that doesn't just chat, it logs into your accounts and does your work. It runs in its own secure cloud environment, signs into your Gmail, Notion, or Jira, completes multi-step tasks, and only alerts you when done, or when it needs approval. It even coordinates with other bots and learns your personal workflow patterns. Right now, access is tightly restricted, only to heavy-tier desktop and iOS subscribers, making this one of the most ambitious agentic deployments we've seen. xAI's Grok 4.6 has officially caught up. It matches OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol on the widely cited Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, scoring 61 points, same as GPT-5.6 Sol and just 1 point behind Claude Fable 5. But here's what makes it disruptive: its API costs just $2 per million input tokens and $6 for output, over 60% cheaper than comparable models. That price-performance shift could force a major recalibration across developer budgets and enterprise procurement. Alibaba just dropped a monster, the open-source Qwen 3.8-2.4T model, a 2.4 trillion parameter MO architecture with native support for 262,000 tokens, scalable up to 1 million. It outperforms its predecessor on key coding agent tests like SWE-bench Pro and Terminal Bench 2.1, and crucially, it's paired with Flag OS, which delivers ready-to-run versions across 9 different AI chips, including Huawei Ascend and more Threads GPUs. Qualcomm has acquired Modular, the AI software company behind the Mojo programming language and Max inference engine, and brought in legendary engineer Chris Lattner as its new AI software EVP. Crucially, Modular's products remain independent and open, with continued investment from Qualcomm. This isn't about lock-in, it's about building a unified, cross-hardware AI stack for everything from edge devices to data centers. Twitch has finally added an AI training opt-out, but here's the catch: it's opt-in by default, meaning unless creators actively change their settings, Amazon keeps using their streams, clips, and chat to train AI models. And this isn't new. Twitch's former chief monetization officer confirmed back in 2024 that Amazon had been doing this for at least 2 years. With no prior notification and no retroactive opt-out, this raises serious questions about consent and creator rights in the age of AI data harvesting. Google DeepMind just shipped the first mainstream hand-sign-to-text AI. ASL-to-English is now live on Pixel 11 phones, letting deaf and hard-of-hearing users type by signing directly into Gboard or Live Transcribe. It's trained on over 100,000 hours of sign language footage, mostly ASL, and processes only anonymized body key points, deleting raw video immediately. This isn't a demo, it's built into core OS features, marking a major leap for AI-powered accessibility. A leaked list of DeepSeek Harness's early partners reveals a sharp strategic pivot. Instead of chasing viral tools, DeepSeek is investing in the plumbing of agentic AI, things like secure execution sandboxes, cost-aware task routing, and multi-agent budget controllers. Nearly 70% of selected projects are niche or solo-developed, focused squarely on solving real engineering bottlenecks for enterprise agents, not building the next hot chat UI. OpenAI has finally released an official ChatGPT desktop client for Linux, supporting Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora through standard .deb and .rpm installers. But there's a big caveat: it doesn't yet support computer use, the feature that lets AI operate your desktop apps. So no automated editing in GIMP or spreadsheet updates in LibreOffice. Linux users still need CLI or browser-based workflows for those tasks. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.